This review compiles insights gathered from numerous users across the internet about the bicycle repair bag with Tire Pump by XCH Robots, a portable toolkit designed for camping, travel, and bike maintenance. The kit aims to provide a comprehensive set of essential tools for quick and effective bicycle repairs, all contained within a compact, lightweight nylon bag that can be securely attached to a bike frame. It is marketed as a professional accessory suitable for mountain biking, road cycling, and trike biking, promising convenience in harsh environments and immediate repair capability to continue riding safely. Users appreciate the kit's inclusion of tire levers, pliers, screwdrivers, and a mini pump, which collectively cover most common roadside repair needs. The pump is noted for its better functionality compared to other mini hand pumps, with some users highlighting its durability and effectiveness in inflating tires multiple times without issue. However, a pressure gauge is absent, which some find inconvenient but not critical. The repair patches included have proven reliable, with reports of patches holding up well even after extensive mileage, demonstrating the kit's practical value in real-world scenarios. The nylon bag's design allows it to cling tightly to the bicycle frame using Velcro straps, although some users mention that the pack swings during rides due to the lack of straps on multiple sides, which could be improved for stability. The case is lightweight and compact, measuring approximately 9 by 2.2 by 4 inches when folded, making it easy to carry or fit inside a larger bike bag. While the tools are generally praised for their quality and durability, there is a common observation that the kit lacks an 18mm tool necessary for removing certain wheel hub nuts, particularly for bikes without quick-release axles. This limitation suggests that while the kit covers most repairs, it may not be fully comprehensive for all bike types, but there is room to add additional tools like a crescent wrench if needed. Some users have expressed dissatisfaction with the carrying case's durability, noting that stitches began to fray and the case showed signs of wear after less than 100 miles of use. This points to a potential weakness in the bag's long-term robustness despite the overall quality of the tools inside. The Presta valve adapter included in the kit reportedly works only with Schroeder valves, which may limit its usefulness for riders who use Presta valves, a common valve type on many road and mountain bikes. Despite this, the kit is regarded as good value for money, combining a decent range of tools with portability and ease of use. It is light enough to carry around without burden, and the tools are straightforward to switch between, making it user-friendly for both novices and experienced cyclists. Many users highlight how this kit has been a lifesaver during unexpected flats or mechanical issues on the road or trail, emphasizing its role in providing peace of mind and independence without needing immediate professional assistance. The kit's ability to support quick tire repairs and basic mechanical fixes makes it a must-have for anyone who regularly rides, especially for those who travel with their bikes or participate in mountain biking and long-distance cycling. Overall, the bicycle repair bag with Tire Pump by XCH Robots delivers on its promise of being a compact, portable, and functional bike repair solution. While there are minor drawbacks such as the case durability and some missing specialized tools, the kit's strengths in tool quality, pump performance, and patch reliability outweigh these issues. Pros include the comprehensive tool selection for common repairs, effective mini pump, reliable tire patches, and convenient attachment system. Cons involve the somewhat fragile carrying case, lack of an 18mm tool, and limited valve adapter compatibility. This product is highly recommended for cyclists seeking an all-in-one repair kit that balances portability with practical functionality. For those interested, the product link is in the description to support the channel. If you own this kit, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions.